Information Technology Operations, or IT Ops, refers to the set of practices and processes that focus on the day-to-day management and maintenance of an organization's IT infrastructure, services, and applications. It involves ensuring the availability, reliability, and performance of IT systems to support the organization's business operations effectively. Teams working in IT Ops are responsible for managing hardware, software, networks, and other IT resources, as well as addressing any issues or incidents that arise. Key aspects of IT Ops include 1. Infrastructure management. This involves overseeing the physical and virtual infrastructure components, such as servers, storage, networking equipment, and data centers. Teams in IT Ops ensure that these components are properly configured, monitored, and maintained to deliver optimal performance and meet the organization's needs. 2. System administration. Personnel in IT Ops perform system administration tasks, including installing, configuring, and updating operating systems, software applications, and security patches. They manage user accounts, permissions, and access controls to maintain system security. 3. Network management. Professionals in IT Ops are responsible for managing the organization's network infrastructure. This includes setting up and configuring network devices, monitoring network performance, and troubleshooting network issues to ensure smooth data flow and connectivity. 4. Monitoring and incident management. Teams in IT Ops use various monitoring tools and techniques to proactively identify and address potential issues before they impact users. When incidents do occur, personnel respond promptly to minimize downtime and restore services. 5. Performance optimization. Professionals in IT Ops continuously optimize system performance and resource utilization to ensure efficient operation and to accommodate increasing demands. 6. Backup and disaster recovery. Policies in IT Ops include implementing robust backup and disaster recovery solutions to protect critical data and applications from loss or damage. 7. Lastly, the IT Service Management, ITSM. The implementation of IT Ops aligns with ITSM frameworks like ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library, to ensure that IT services are delivered in a structured and customer-oriented manner, meeting the organization's business needs and expectations. Effective IT Ops practices are vital for maintaining a stable and secure IT environment, supporting business operations, and meeting service-level agreements. As technology continues to evolve, IT Ops remains essential for organizations seeking to deliver reliable and efficient IT services. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.